Good morning, guys. I say good morning because it's like 7 o'clock, and so it's good morning here. And these two boxes of Young Living stuff have been sitting on my kitchen counter for the past 3 days, and while I wait to record my video, and I need to put all this stuff up. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna record this video before my daughter wakes up and my husband wakes up and all the things today. So, excuse my appearance. Y'all know I just come on here like looking however I'm looking that day. So, it is what it is. Okay, I have 2 orders today to share. First, I did a ER point redemption order where I used like my points that I had earned from orders to get stuff for free. And then I placed a very small essential rewards order this month because I'm trying to save money because there's like lots of expenses going on this month. So I was like, well, I'll just finally use some of the points I have so I can still get everything I need, but then in places, not spend as much on ER. So let's get started. The first thing that I got in my point redemption that I don't have to show you was a Savvy Minerals Warm 2 foundation powder, but mine ran out and I had to use that a couple days ago. So that's put up, but I got that for free, which that's like $45, I think. Okay, let's see, what else did I get? I really don't even remember what I got because this one I did like mid-April. It's just been sitting here. Oh, a lime. My lime was completely out, and that's something that I love to diffuse this time of year. Very summery. This with Stress Away is a good blend. Ooh, this with peppermint, great blend. Peppermint and Stress Away and lime. Those are like the mojito blend. Some people just do lime and Stress Away. Some people just do lime and peppermint. Some people do all 3. I think the one with all 3 is my favorite. I'm gonna have to do that today. I forgot about that blend until just now. Okay, I also got another bath and shower gel base with my points for free. I normally add orange, Valor, Stress Away, and frankincense to that for like the scent, because this one's unscented and I like to like do my own scent. If they had a Valor one, I'd probably just buy the Valor one, but they don't. And I'm too scared to like venture out to try the Genesis or the Sensation. I think those are the 2 that I've thought about trying. But I'm too scared and I just like to make my own. So that's when I get, it's cheaper too because it doesn't have oils in it already. Then I'm so excited about this. I ordered the Lush Lemon soap refill. So this will refill, it's 32 ounces. So it'll refill like all of my soap dispensers in my house. I never thought about this, but like my soap dispensers, I have like the glass ones that are like refillable or whatever, and they get disgusting. Like I had to dump out the leftover, like there was just like a little bit of the Thieves hand soap left, dump it out like and clean them good before I could put something new in them. But I got Lush Lemon because I felt like that was so springy and summery, and hopefully we will go through this before the fall, because in the fall I have to have the Thieves because it smells so fallish. But I love this stuff, so got that. And then this, I couldn't use points on this because it's new, but this came out in the spring launch and I'm so excited to try them. The Thieves hand sanitizing wipes. I don't know why I'm so excited about these. They already have like the Thieves wipes to like wipe down surfaces. And then they have the sanitizer, but I don't know. I just felt like these would be handy. Smells just like these, smells just like the sanitizer. I'm excited. There's 30 wipes. It was like $15, so like 50 cents a wipe. They're kind of expensive, but I wanted to try them, see what I thought. So all that stuff I got for free except for the wipes. I paid for the wipes. Okay. Then in my ER order, I always like to spend at least $100 so that I can get free shipping. So I did that. I got another Lush Lemon hand soap for a gift, because I just think this is such a cute little gift. Like, this is a good gift. Put some little ribbon around it, whatever, put it in a gift basket. I'm doing it in a gift basket, but I just thought that was so cute. And I obviously love this stuff because I got an abundance of it this month. So if you haven't tried the Lush Lemon hand soap, try it. I believe it was last month. I gave y'all the Luscious Lemon diffuser blend so that you could like smell it before if you wanted to, and it smells so stinking good. So if you go back and find and listen to that, because that's a good diffuser blend. Got some more Super Bee. I've kind of been rotating, needing Super Bee 1 month, Life 9 the next month, because of like how it is that they're running out. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, this one's weird. Okay, every single month I get the Kid Sense Sleepy Eyes for Emma Jane's room, but yesterday, so this has always happened. When we diffuse this, her diffuser gets like straight moldy after a couple days, and like I have to clean it. None of my other diffusers do that, and so I really think that it's the fractionated coconut oil that's in this blend that like goops up and like makes like oil puddles. I don't know how to describe it. It's weird. If this happens to any of y'all, please comment below so I don't think I'm crazy. But so anyway, it's like Chris showed it to me last night because he's the one that like does the diffuser while I'm putting her in her pajamas. He showed it to me last night and I almost threw up. I was like, that is disgusting. Like, she can't be like breathing that in and stuff at night. So I think this might be the last time I get sleepy eyes, only for diffusing. I think I'm just gonna put a roller top on this one and then we'll roll it on her every night now, and then maybe diffuse lavender or something something different. So we'll see. I don't know. I just think we've come to an end with the sleepy eyes for diffusing, because it just gets the diffuser so gross. Again, if you diffuse any kind of like Kid Sense oils, please let me know if that happens to you. And we do it every day. So I think if we didn't do it every day, that might not happen, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. And then the last, oh no, I got 2 more things. Okay. I got some Cool Azul Pain Relief Cream for Miss Paula, who watches Emma Jane. She asked for me to get this for her because she has like really bad like joint muscle pain. And I let her try the CBD muscle cream, this, and the not Cool Azul, Panaway oil. I let her try all 3 of those so that she could see which one she liked the best and then decide which one she wanted to buy. And this one was her favorite, and this was the one that I recommended. I don't really notice a huge, I love CBD, but I haven't really noticed like a huge difference. Like, I guess I haven't used it consistently, but the CBD muscle rub like doesn't really do it for me. I don't know. I really just like the tingling like sensation that this one gives. I love this stuff, and it legit lasts forever. It's 3.4 ounces. The bottle looks kind of small, but like you don't need a whole lot. It goes a long way, and it lasts forever. So this was the one that I recommended. I'm obsessed with this stuff. So yeah, this is for Paula. And then the last thing I got is another concealer. Like, of course, all my makeup ran out this month. So luckily I was able to use points for the foundation, but then I bought the concealer. I used the Light 2. This really isn't that expensive. This was $29, and I feel like it lasts a while. And actually, somebody on one of my previous videos commented and said that you can take, let me see if I can show you. You can take the little like plastic part out, this little part right here on the top, and that then you can get more out, which I haven't even tried on my other one that is out. So maybe I can get some more life out of that one before I bust open this one, but I don't ever want to like be without and not have what I need. So this is like the first month in forever that I haven't had any freebies, because I almost always hit the 190 tier, but this month I was conservative and I didn't. I did not buy CBD this month because I felt like I still had a good amount for my last order. I don't use it on the weekends, so that's why I think it will last like a little bit longer for me. I only use it on weekdays. And I don't know if I'm going to use it over the summer, because I use it to like help my anxiety, and I don't really have anxiety over the summer because it's summer and I don't have any real responsibilities. So I think I might just hold off on using that over the summer, but we will see. I might buy another one next month just in case I need it over the summer at any point and like want to have it to use. But anyway, there's my haul. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Drop them below. I love reading the comments. That's my favorite part. But excuse me. Also, like, subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.